The Maxi Pro Personal Amplifier from Bellman and Symfon is fully digital with Bluetooth functionality. It helps you with hearing conversations and hearing your mobile. Let's look in the box. Here is the Maxi Pro amplifier. A power adapter, a power cord, a lanyard, a belt clip, and warranty information with instruction manuals in multiple languages. As you can see, the amplifier is a good size for your hand to grasp, and the buttons on the front are easy to understand. Each button has only one function. This is the power button. To the right is the button that controls the microphone. The button next to it controls the Bluetooth function. More on that later. Now if we move down, we have the volume right here that you can control easily. The plus will raise the volume. And the minus will lower the volume. The green LED lights show the volume levels. Below the volume buttons are the tone controls. If you need more treble, press the up arrow. If more bass is needed, press the down arrow. Maxi Pro comes with a pair of headphones or earbuds. To use them, just take the jack and plug it into the headphone port. If you have a hearing aid with a telecoil, you can connect to the amplifier with our neck loop. Then you can boost the performance of your hearing aid. To connect the amplifier to your cell phone, press and hold the Bluetooth button until it flashes a blue LED light. On your smartphone, go to Settings, and then Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on and select Maxi Pro. If you're watching TV and have someone calling you, you will hear a ringing sound from the amplifier. Press the Bluetooth button once to answer the call. You can hear the phone call from the Maxi Pro and talk back directly without the need for your cell phone to be nearby. Once you are finished, press the Bluetooth button again to hang up the call and return to your previous listening mode. Or wait for the phone call to end and the amplifier will automatically switch back to the previous listening mode. To reject a call, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. If the green LED is on, then the mic is active and you can listen to the conversation around you. If the blue LED is steady, that means the Bluetooth is connected, but the audio source isn't playing. If the blue LED is blinking, that means Bluetooth is connected and the audio source is playing. If the battery LED begins to flash red, then it means the battery is low and it needs to charge. To charge the amplifier, plug the power adapter into an outlet, then plug the charger cord into the yellow charging port. The battery LED will begin to flash green when it is charging. When it is finished charging, the battery LED will have a steady green light. Lastly, the Maxi Pro Personal Amplifier comes with a belt clip and a lanyard. To connect the belt clip, find the grooves on both sides of the amplifier. Place the belt clip in the grooves and it will snap in. For the lanyard, feed the string through the hole on the top of the amplifier. And that is the Maxi Pro Personal Amplifier.